Hi guys, another quick and an impromptu shoot. This shoot is in response to the number of WhatsApp messages that I have received over past 2 days after I had put across my last video, which was on understanding of diabetes type 2, wherein I had spoken about the role of insulin hormone. Now, I tried to analyze all the messages that I've received, and I formulated 2 questions out of that. Question number 1, do I have to understand and study hormones in order to lose weight? And the second question would be that I am not a science graduate, so do I have to now study biology in order to reverse my ailment? Well, a plain simple answer to both these questions is a big yes. Now, I'll try and be a little specific and I'll answer the second question first. Do I have to study and understand a bit of biology? Yes. You not only have to study and understand a bit of biology, you also have to understand a bit of chemistry. When it comes to your own body, when it comes to your own health, when it comes to the application of nutrition on your health, when it comes to understanding the science of fat loss, when it comes to understanding the management of stress, understanding sleep cycles, you have no choice but to understand a bit of biochemistry that is happening inside. And what level of science are we talking about? Elementary biology, elementary chemistry. The idea is not to make it boring and theoretical. In fact, the whole idea is to clear the cobwebs and to understand the basic nuances so that at the time of application, you are absolutely motivated to not only apply it correctly, but to apply it in the right intensity. And when is the time of application? The time of application could be when you decide to walk that extra mile. The time of application could be when you try to climb that extra stair. The time of application could be when you decide to amend your diet. The time of application could be when you decide to wake up or sleep at a particular time. So at those times of application, if your basic nuances are clear, you will not only be able to apply it correctly, you will be self-motivated. Now, coming to question number 1, do I have to study and understand hormones in order to lose weight? Well, not only losing weight, and I don't talk about losing weight, I talk about losing fat from your body, but whatever it is, whether it is about losing body fat or whether it is about reversing your other lifestyle ailments, yes, a study of hormones is important. A basic understanding is important. Now, let me give you an example. Suppose at this moment, I ask you to cry. At this moment, I am requesting you that please shed some tears from your eyes. Do it. Can you? You can't. Similarly, at this moment, if you were crying that side and I had asked you to stop crying, you will not be able to stop the rolling down of tears from your eyes. Well, this is endocrine system for you. The lacrimal or the tear glands, they are here. The tear glands will stop releasing tears the moment it gets the right signal from the brain. And it is not only about tear glands. The various glands in our body, and this diagram does not show all the glands, but be it any gland, pituitary, thyroid, adrenal, pancreas, every gland has a clear, well-defined role to play. And these glands, they secrete hormones, which are chemical messengers. And they transmit the message through the bloodstream to the target cell or the target tissue. That's their job. And each and every physiological activities, be it growth of your cells and tissues, bones, development of your body, be it growth of hair, acne, pimples, twitching of your eyes, sleep, stress, hunger, even the rate of your heartbeat, the flow of your blood, each and every physiological activity is regulated by hormones. And besides this, the hormones play another important role. They maintain homeostasis. They help you to maintain homeostasis. And what is homeostasis? Homeostasis is a self-regulating process wherein the body tends to maintain stability while adjusting to conditions that are optimal for survival. Otherwise, you will perish, you will die. And what are examples of homeostasis? Well, out of stress you are crying. Well, the teardrops, they have stress hormones in them. In a cold temperature, when your body is subjected to cold temperature, you start shivering. That is homeostasis. Feeling hungry or feeling satiated, these all are examples of homeostasis. And yes, understanding of basic biochemistry, understanding the role that these hormones play is absolutely critical. And I will be referring to various hormones during the course of my talks. And the whole idea is that when you launch your surgical strike on your lifestyle ailment and somebody asks you, how is the Josh? You should be able to say, hi sir, cheers, keep smiling.